U.S. lawmakers are still discussing President Donald Trump's so-called Big Beautiful Bill, but local nursing homes in our area are worried how the proposal could make cuts when it comes to Medicaid and, of course, impacting their facilities. So our Laura Sandlin has been digging into this. She is live this morning. Good morning to you, Laura. How could this affect them?
Well, Tatiana, the Senate Medicaid work requirement is said to be one of the strictest proposals ever by Republicans, putting a large amount of Americans at risk for losing medical coverage. Now, their proposed version is set to basically lower provider taxes, which states use to help fund their share of Medicaid costs, from 6% to 3.5% by 2031. According to Jeff Miller, administrator for the Manor in Perrysburg, a skilled nursing facility with around 98 residents receiving both short-term rehab and long-term care. It's estimated about 80% of their residents rely on Medicaid. He says Medicaid is not a handout, but a vital source of funding that enables access to necessary health care for vulnerable populations. And that cuts to Medicaid would be devastating to not only the facility and its residents, but jeopardizing operations and access to care.
I really want them to see the impact that some of their stuff has on the real life people. It's not about the staff members. Yes, that's a huge part of it, but it's the residents we're taking care of. The vulnerable population is the elderly, and we're all going to be there someday. So the way I look at it is we have to be advocating for those people.
Miller says as facilities continue to face staffing shortages, these cuts would worsen the situation. He also mentioned that he hopes that senators and Vice President J.D. Vance advocates for increased funding as well as overall sees the need. Reporting live in East Toledo, Laura Sandlin for WTOL 11.